back. Today is gonna be a day in my life vlog. I'm gonna take you along with me to what a full day in my life looks like, how I spend it, where I go, and yeah. It's currently, what time is it? It's 10:35 a.m. on a Wednesday morning, and I am going to my dentist appointment in a bit. I have it in 11:30 a.m. so I'm going now, staying there for a bit. It's in Azuela Cove, so I'm gonna roam around there and romanticize everything before I go back to my apartment and get ready for school, because I have class at 1:30 p.m. so I have to be back at around 12. Anyway, let's go. I just arrived. Now let's wait for my time. May matcha kayo?
Yes,
Isang oat matcha latte. Kaya mura nag-dessert kasi. It's 11:25. So I have to wait for my retainers for 1 hour. So the plan is to edit while waiting and then roam around. So yeah, let's get matcha first. I'm done editing, guys. Let's upload. We have to go now, eat lunch, and then go back to the dorm. Hi guys, so I'm done posting and I still have to wait for my retainers. They said it's gonna take around 30 minutes. I don't know. So now I'm probably gonna get lunch and go back to the clinic later to get my retainers. It's Adidas. There's a shoe I'm eyeing. Wait, I'm gonna check here first, because I actually want to get this. Should I get it? I don't know yet. Not gonna get it if I'm not sure. Where should I eat lunch? Guys, this is the Matcha Tokyo, but I already drank matcha, so I'm not gonna go there. Just wanna show you. This is it. But I think I'm gonna eat here at Butter, since Wanna grab pudding? I've been wanting to eat here. I just don't know if it tastes good. Or if this. Ba kayo like
Yes, ma'am, meron, ma'am. Ito, ma'am. Good for 2 to 3 person without rice, ma'am.
Naku. Ah, yes po. I'm back. Just finished. Just finished eating lunch. Try the suot mo. Sige, sige. Sige po. Dito. Cute.
Sige, try that soup.
Thank you so much. Taste niya. Thank you po. Thank you po. My Grab is here. Joanna po.
No, nag-apple ko because yes, it makes sense that they would prioritize space exploration. Pero dapat
I thought this was a statement na dayon. Guys, I'm at school. Finished my class and even did the activity. But now I'm going to Yumlat Hub because I think the shoot will happen there first. Anyway,
Ako pre, wala ko pre. Wala ko ikuan sila. Oh shit!
so there's a shoot happening right now for Cinicom. But I have a different shoot for SAS, so I'm not included. Guys,
Hi!
say hi to my vlog!
Hi, Joanne's vlog.
Hi, Vloggy by Alex. Ang mga models for today. I love the outfit. Sana all.
Patong-patong.
Godwin, gwapo-gwapa lang. Volleyball.
Volleyball.
Volleyball dancer.
sila mga dancer.
So, lahi sila kay Nico ug Alaysa. Okay, nanggawas na sila Kuya Od. This is Claveria Street. Anyway, my shoot is still later. And there's Nico Sarang and Alyssa
Subscribe to
Gilch.
Joanna's YouTube channel
Yeah.
to get a free giveaway,
Oh.
a Gcash, and a shout out.
Sponsored by Nico. Yan ang gusto ko. Weeheehee!
Yeah, here.
Yehere.
Siya ba yung scary daw po?
Oo, sabi ni ni Kuya, sino yun? Kuya Mark. Like, is this Tagalog?
Is this Tagalog right now?
Si Cinicom.
Is this Cinicom? I think my vlog is so long, no? Bro.
Yeah, the longer the better.
Sige, bananti ka. Kyle.
Wait, Joe, ayaw ba? Kay maano kung ginapauban ako ng artista.
Uy, over. Ikaw ang artista. I-ano pa buya ka na mo, i-promote.
Wala, super.
Vote for JC Arbash.
Artista. Guys, ginaubanan ko sa artista. Ako'y naulaw.
Ay, ko ni.
Kanya siya, kay Given.
Going to the shoot area now. It's my turn. It's our turn. And I am so tired. Joke, I'm not. Kuya JC. Running for... This is my vlog.
Running for there.
Oh, running for there.
5 p.m.
Running for marathon.
Bawal.
Bawal.
Which is Akalala.
Anong bawal? Anong bawal?
Bawal yung premature baby.
Hi, vlog!
Hi, vlog. Welcome
So ayan, papunta tayo right now sa chapel.
You.
Like, what is this gonna be?
Magdadasal po tayo.
Yeri! Diri Hi, Kuya Gray! Say hi to my vlog.
Hello.
Ay, ka-cute naman, uy. Demure kaayo.
Ano dyan?
Closer pa.
Diri ano sa hit.
Wait, no.
Grabe naman.
Lagyan. Okay, medyo
Oh my
panood
God.
din sila.
Yung after di alam ko, butang na mo sa billboard.
I-center ito.
Atras pa pa.
Ganyan. Ayan. Sige. One, ta shot. 1, 2, 3.
Thank you.
Are you cooking a band ng Korean?
Ice cream time.
Kukisan ko yung durian.